Oh, hello guys. Today I posted this video, but this is not my new video. This is my video that I made a long time ago, but I posted it today because I think it's can be posted. I named this art like a bird scenery. At the first time when I made this video, I think I will make a bird scenery where the bird is up on the tree and we can see the people. The people have picnic in down of the tree. They have picnic on the land, but I think it's very hard for me to draw the human being, so I changed the concept. Okay, first I made the sketch, then using the soft dip pen I made the branch and the leaves like this. It's on the basic color first, and the bird I use blue to make it its basic color, and yellow for its beak. Then I mix the color with the lighter color, so it will give an effect of the lighters. In mixing colors, I use oil brush. You can see it in the brushes tools like this, and make the secondary color for the leaves. It's need a long time to make this because we have many leaves here and the shape is variative. But in the other way, you can just draw a leaf in the other canvas and copy the leaves and paste it here, like that, like what I made. But I not paste the leaf to the old leaves. I just paste the leaves to cover just several leaves. This is the new concept I make it. It's not heading to the land, but the background is the sky with clouds there. They make the snow. I think it's a bit shape of snow. Use the grass brush. I use the grass brush for it.